Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to look how to make rainbow and monochrome marble. Let us first of all create a new diffuse scene. We won't erase the ground for now. Let us turn on the grid. First of all, let us make a marble. I usually use a length of 0.25 meter radius. So again I am going to use that. Now first right click this and go to appearance. There you have to deselect this circle cake. Now after that there will be a code in the description of this rainbow marble. So for making this rainbow marble, let us first right click this, go to script menu. There will be a something called PostStep. Select the whole thing and click this code. uh, uh, Now remove this and start the simulation. Now you can see how this thing is working. Go to appearance and you will see the color is changing continuously. Now if you want to make this thing to go faster, what you can do is pause this right now, go to the script menu. You can adjust this number. Do you see this one, right? You can just adjust the number. The greater is the number, the faster it will change. If you want it to be 5 times faster than this, you can just put 5 and you can start the simulation and you'll see how fast it can change. Or if you want it to become even faster, you can keep like that, but you normally won't keep that fast. The speed can be changed just using this. I will just use for one for this now. Now for making the tracer, what you can do is just right click this marble, go to geometry actions. There you will see attach tracer. Click that. Now what you have to do is right click this tracer, go to script menu and do the again space the same code for in the PostStep. Make sure PostStep. Now you should make sure that this the speed of this marble and this amount, this number on this marble and the tracer are same. Otherwise they won't coordinate. Okay, now you can just right click this marble tracer, go to selection, move selector to back now so that it won't appear. You can right click this and let me just move around. You will see this you can see this tracer is working. Okay, now let us make a monochrome marble. Go to appearance and deselect draw circle cake. Now let us right click this marble, go to script menu. There will be another code that I have post. Just click that, select the whole thing, and instead of going to PostStep, we will go to colorHSVA. You can just paste this code, and you will see that this thing will starts working. You can see in this appearance how it's going left right. Now if you want to change the speed, you will see this sim.time into 3. Now you can just multiply with any number. The greater the number, the faster it will change. For example, if I multiply it with 15, it will change a lot faster. Or if I just keep 1, it will change much slower. I will just keep 1.5 for this case. Now for the tracer, again you can do the same thing what I did before. Go to right click this, go to geometry action, click attach tracer, right click this tracer, go to script menu, go to colorHSVA and select this again the same thing. Now make sure the speed is same, that's 1.5, that is the speed I choose. Now you can just go right click this tracer, go to selection, move selector to back so that this marble doesn't appear, tracer doesn't appear. You can try moving this and you'll see this tracer is also working. You see this tracer is working. What you can do is a minute. Okay, you can just right click this, select this whole thing, go to components. There you can put this marble here. Name this as monochrome. You can just okay. do the same thing for rainbow marble. Okay, now that's it. So we are now successful in making a rainbow and monochrome marble. Now that's it. Now what you can do is just subscribe to this channel and like this video, and you can also share this video. You can also see other tutorial videos. Also you can go check my Algodoo channel where I'll upload my videos after completing this tutorial series. And that's it. So tata, bye bye, and see you next